Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making Instant pot roast from frozen. Alright guys, I'm starting out in my Instant Pot. I'm going to start by dumping some beef broth. This here is 14.5 ounces. I'm also going to add in 1 large onion I diced up. And guys, it doesn't get any easier when you cook meat from frozen. You don't have to worry about thawing it out. Okay. I'm also going to put in 2 healthy teaspoons of diced up garlic. This is DeJarred, so if you use fresh, use 2 or 3 cloves. I'm going to go ahead and give that a stir. Okay, now I have roughly a 2-pound London broil here. Now it's not going to fit perfectly in here, guys. I'm putting it in on the trivet. We're going to have to push it down like that and get it down in there. That will sink down as it cooks, guys, so there's no worries there. I'm going to season this. I'm going to put some dry thyme on it. And I think what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to cheat a little bit here. I'm going to spray this with a little bit of cooking spray to get the spices to stick. You could also run your roast under the sink and get it wet. That would help. So I'm going to go ahead and put some thyme in there. Now it's sticking in there nice and good. And like I said, as this cooks, that roast will shrink up and it'll settle down in there. I'm going to put some onion powder in here. And if you get a little bit down into your broth, that's fine, because we're going to make a gravy with that, guys, and that'll make it nice and flavorful. I'm going to add in a little bit of paprika, and this is mild paprika, guys. And I'm going to add in some black pepper. Now, I didn't add any salt, guys. If I need to add salt to my gravy when I'm making it, I will do that, but I think we're going to be fine. I'm going to put my lid on here, and I'm going to set this at high pressure for an hour and 20 minutes. After that hour and 20 minutes, I'm going to do a quick release of the pressure because I'm going to add in some vegetables. Alright guys, now that my time is up and I did that quick release of the pressure, you can see how my beef roast shrunk down in there. I'm going to pull this metal frame out, this trivet. And you don't want to burn yourself, guys. And I'm going to drop the roast right down into the beef stock or beef broth. Now I'm going to add in my vegetables. I have some carrots I cut up. And I have some little baby potatoes. I'm going to add them down in there. And the potatoes are pre-washed, guys, so there's no worries there. You could also add some turnips to this, or parsnips. They would be really good in there too. Any kind of root vegetable you have. Now I'm going to put my lid back on here. I'm going to pressure cook this for 6 minutes. Then I'm going to allow the pressure to naturally release for 10 minutes. After my 10 minutes are up, I'll do a quick release of the remaining pressure. Alright guys, this is so tender I can just separate it with a fork. You see that? I left it rest there for a few minutes. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Guys, I also went ahead and made mashed potatoes, and I made that gravy I was telling you about. And there's those root vegetables. You get in here and try. So I put a little gravy over the roast beef, guys. It's really good. Well seasoned, nice and tender. That's really good, guys. Right there you have it, Instant Pot roast from frozen. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see you.